So here, get in, check it out. Okay, you guys, so
You can't put me on there.
I look out my front window, looking at the Ferrari. I'm getting ready to go out on a rally here. And like we're getting ready to go on the rally. I'm getting ready to get packed up, and I look out my window, and I got 3 police cars surrounding the Ferrari. Like, what's up? Not what I expected. Honestly, I don't know what happened out here, but they joked around. They said they were protecting it for me, but whoa. Not how I expect a rally to start. So if a car's too fast, you just don't even bother with it?
No. So we only pursue for dangerous felony crimes because it puts the public at a huge risk.
So exactly how fast do I have to go for you to not follow me? I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
You don't have to go fast at all. We're not gonna pursue someone just because the risks to everybody's life.
Gotcha.
I'm
also not gonna be that guy.
No, I don't.
I was being a smart aleck, asking if I could do a huge burnout, but I'm not gonna do that.
6-4 City for 29 out of California.
My tires are brand new. I'm not ready yet. So guys, not how I expected a rally to begin, but hey, this is the beginning of our video. I'm Sean, this is Dream Cars Daily, and we are starting a roughly 1,500 mile rally right now with all the police. Hey, gotta start somewhere. All right, bags, check. Filming equipment, check. Hats, just in case, check. Sunglasses, check. Eye pass, check. Pretentious driving shoes, check. I think we're good. Oh wait, Ferrari, check. Did wifey bring enough shoes?
Maybe.
We're packed up, ready to go. When I say packed, I mean, we're packed. She's not going with. Elena is going with. And all of Elena's stuff and my stuff. So we're dropping her off in this bag. And I'm really glad right now that we got the California, because if we had anything smaller, we'd be in trouble. Actually, if we had anything smaller, you'd have to pack lighter.
You can try. I have seen them reduce. Just make crochet stuff.
As per usual, a Ferrari road trip starts with fuel. Every time. There's another car that I promise you needs fuel all the time. I stopped for coffee and got a narwhal. I'm gonna bring that home to my daughter. We're gonna name him Norbert. You guys tell me how many times Norbert appears in the rally videos. First person with the correct answer wins a free Dream Cars t-shirt. Maybe it's just me, but I'm a bit confused. The exit is not here. I'm just saying. Exit here, no. Our final gas stop before the hotel, and I drew a little bit of attention. This isn't bad attention though. He's not here to write me any tickets today. But
man, we'll write any tickets.
he was interested, so here, get in, check it out.
Man, I don't know if I can get that far. Maybe if I was off duty, man. But yeah.
Okay. I didn't. It's just a car. You're not gonna hurt it.
No, it's a bad car though, man. Yeah. Thanks for the opportunity.
Here's what I will do for you. Here, I'll do this for you real quick though. You might not be able to do it, but I can.
Yeah, man. That's a nice car. Oh, I know this thing gets up there, man.
It's a lot of fun.
That's a beautiful paint job too, man.
Yeah, we just got the wrap done. Like I just got it back from the wrap shop like 4 or 5 days ago.
Man, a lot of people don't know how to wrap it. Is that expensive?
This would be about $7,000 to do this, with the color changing and everything. The color changing vinyl is kind of expensive, and it's a lot of work to get the panels right because this type of vinyl has to all face the same direction, because if you turn the vinyl it would change the color, so it would be like gold here and then it'd be all of a sudden purple on a different panel and it would look strange. So it's a lot of time.
I want to go with like army fatigue on my truck.
Oh yeah. I actually, I was thinking on one of my other cars, I was messing around with different stuff for this, like different ideas, and an idea that I had. So on my Instagram, I put a picture of one of these that was wrapped in army green, and actually people loved it. I thought people were gonna absolutely hate it, but they loved it. And I was like, you know what? Like I could do one of my other cars in that army green, and then actually do it with like a jet fighter theme. So put like the red, white, and blue stripe on the door with the star, and then you know, like the fighter jet nose cone or something. I think it'd be really fun.
Yeah, that wouldn't be bad. Yeah, especially, I mean, if you got the money to do it, why not?
So, yeah, I have fun, man. Go check out my YouTube stuff. So you checking out my videos?
Yeah, man. I was on there. It's crazy.
Any of these that I'm doing donuts in, those aren't me, or they were done in Mexico.
Oh, this is stunt double?
Yeah, it's all supervised by the police.
On the closed road.
On a closed road in Mexico.
Gotcha. As long as you're not in Oakwood, man, you good to go.
As long as it's not in Oakwood, Ohio. Got you.
Good to go. Yeah, you good, man. So I'm gonna check out your page, man. I'm subscribing right now. Let's see, subscribe.
That's right, you guys, right there. That
boom, I'm officially a subscriber.
that button right there. Make sure you hit that subscribe button.
I'm officially a subscriber.
All right. So when a second police officer shows up, usually that really means you're in trouble. You swear I'm really not in trouble.
Yeah, no, you're good, man. I mean, yeah, you're not in trouble as long as you gotta
there's two. Look, where I'm from, if a second cop pulls up, somebody's going away in handcuffs.
Oh no, shit, him too.
Right. That's usually how it goes.
Right. So hand over the keys, or you going in handcuffs.
Yeah, right. We're gonna have to make sure this is a real Ferrari.
Right. You know what I'm saying? He's gonna do a lap, and then I'm gonna go do a lap. Right.
You don't even realize that I would let you.
No.
We get off at 4 a.m. I'm coming out. What room you stay in? I'm coming knock on your room door.
Come back at like 9 in the morning. Seriously, I let people drive it all the time. I let a 17-year-old take it to prom.
Really?
Hold it. No, that's sweet.
This is a 17-year-old I didn't even know.
Man, where was you at 10 years ago? Shit.
Right?
Absolutely. 100%. I've been trying to get the police around me to race me. Like even on a track or something. I just think it'd make a cool video.
Well, you gotta break the law first.
Kind of like the ones where the cops are chasing, the bad guys are driving the cop car or something like that. I think that's what we should do.
Right.
I'll drive that. You can drive this.
Yeah.
Bet. Let's go.
You said come back 9 a.m. You can drive it.
Good night.
That's what I told
No, I'm seriously. I'm right up the road here. I'm staying at the Hampton right there.
Oh, okay.
And we got to be at Mr. Detail at 10 a.m. But seriously, if you want to rip it around the block at 9 a.m., I'm down.
Oh, God. I appreciate it, and God, do I want to take you up on that, but working on a 17-hour day, so I'll be asleep.
Get some sleep, and I'll see you next time.
Absolutely.
I think I'm gonna be up at 9 a.m. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be up at 9 a.m.
He ain't never been to work on time. Just kidding.
Look at that. Put it in camera.
Right.
Oh, no. He's always stellar. I'm the late one. Always.
This I might be knocking on your door at 8:30.
He said 9.
I'm exactly. I'm gonna be there for breakfast. Like, you ready to go?
He said that.
Yeah, you got IG too.
Well,
Yeah.
You guys have a good night. You be safe out there.
You as well, man. Thanks.
I'm
thanks
just
for
going.
stopping.
I'm going to sleep.
Right.
I will not get shot tonight. I know that, and I hope you don't either.
Yeah, man. I'm here to 4 a.m. man, so I'll be all right, man. Don't do any donuts or anything out here. Speeding.
Okay, I promise not to do any donuts on the way out if you promise not to look.
It's all good.
I cannot confirm or deny that the police behind me wanted to see me spin it. So yeah, that happened. A couple 100 miles today. We made it to Cleveland. We're gonna park the car, get some rest, and we'll see you tomorrow.